Life puts our bodies into weird positions, and they change to reflect our lifestyle. Sitting, driving, having a repetitious job or sport, carrying a bag or a child on one side of the body, all affects our shape and health. Just sitting in a chair acts like a plaster cast around a broken limb, causing changes to the muscles, fascia, bones and nerves, and over time this reduces blood flow, oxygen, movement capacity and eventually leads to injuries. But that doesn't need to be the case. Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm a movement specialist and I've been working in the fitness industry for over 25 years. I'm a biomechanics coach. I'm also an assistant physiotherapist specialising in neurological issues. I teach Pilates, yoga, dance and fitness. I have a passion for helping people improve their movement capabilities as they age. Building strength and balance, particularly in your 50s, is probably one of the most valuable contributions you could give yourself, both physically and mentally. Growing old is a gift, but feeling old and losing your independence should not be inevitable. I'm over 55 and I've been using the principles of the biomechanics system to keep myself moving freely, to reduce any effects of hip and back problems, and so I can keep doing the job that I love. The solution is movement, but if it hurts to walk, to sit, to squat, to lift, then it's definitely time to get some help. Nothing in the body works in isolation. Everything is connected. And just because one particular body part hurts doesn't mean to say that's the source of the problem. Using a series of evidence-based tests for the pelvis, the spine, the shoulders, the feet and the legs, I'm able to evaluate what's going on inside the structures of your body that may be causing you discomfort, and then prescribe some unique exercises that will help rectify your problems. Both the tests and the exercises are extremely easy, safe and effective to do in the comfort of your own home. Anyone can do these exercises. They're just a series of movements. The difficulty is actually remembering to do them every day. It's about consistency, not intensity. The power to feel confident and capable and independent is ultimately in your own hands. Rediscover your love for moving again and add life to your years. When you move well, you think, you feel and you live well. Get in touch today. I'd really love to help you. Give yourself that gift of better movement.